Have you been wondering if the Wish app is any good? Is it safe to order from? Is it legit? Will you actually get what you order? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be giving you our review of the Wish shopping app. Now let's get started. First off, is the app safe to order from? As far as security, the Wish app is safe to order from. Your account is protected with a password. The personal information you provide in order to place your order, such as your name, email address, and payment information, will not be shared or sold by Wish to other parties. Is the app legit? Do you get what you pay for? This is where there's some gray area. Though many people have had success ordering certain items from Wish and received exactly what they expected,
let's just see what they look like. Oh, these are nice.
Other people have not been so lucky.
Oh, that stinks. Ew, it stinks. This does not smell good.
Many users have received items that do not match the advertised product photos or description. Luckily, Wish has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you receive an item that is defective, damaged, or not consistent with the product listing, you'll be eligible for a refund from Wish. You can request a refund within 30 days of delivery of your order. This also applies if you never receive an item you ordered. You can read more about this at wish.com/return_policy. Because of this satisfaction guarantee and return policy, we'd say that Wish is worth giving a shot. Now we'd like to share a few tips to finding the best items on Wish. First, always read reviews of an item before deciding if you want to buy it. This will let you know what other buyers experienced. Items with mostly negative reviews should obviously be avoided. Items with mostly positive reviews are more likely to come as described. Second, if an item seems too good to be true, it probably is. Most of the inexpensive cell phones, tablets, computers, and other electronics should probably be avoided. Next, be sure to look at the shipping information. This section of the product listing will tell you how much the shipping will cost and when you can expect the item to arrive. This is important to note because you might find an item for a very low price that ends up having too high a shipping cost to really be worth it. Ultimately, use your best judgment on whether you think items from Wish are worth purchasing. If you don't receive what you expected, be sure to request a refund for your order within 30 days of receiving the item. That does it for our review of the Wish app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.